5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. This is the defendant's second appeal against the judgment and decree dated 25/9/1985 of the civil judge Rudki, whereby he dismissed the first appeal filed by the defendant against the judgment of the trial court decreeing the plaintiff's suit for mandatory injunction, directing the defendant to vacate the house in his occupation and restraining him from using the same. Stop. The late plaintiff respondent Sheetal Puri filed the suit in the trial court alleging therein that he is permanent lessee of a plot situate in Mohalla Subhasganj of Roorkee town, described and bounded at foot of the plaint. Stop. In the eastern portion thereof there is a room belonging to the plaintiff. Stop. The said room was lying vacant and locked as the plaintiff lives elsewhere. Stop. Some time ago, the defendant with certain influential persons acquainted with the plaintiff approached him and requested to allow him to reside in aforesaid room as license. Stop. The plaintiff accordingly gave a right to the defendant to occupy this room as a licensee with condition that as and when he was allotted a departmental quarter, he will vacate the same. Stop. This promise was also repeated subsequently as and when plaintiff enquired as to when the defendant will vacate the room. Stop. Since the plaintiff wanted to construct a house over his plot after demolishing the existing room a few days before filing the suit, he requested the defendant to vacate the room, but he refused to do so. Stop. Ultimately, by notice dated 29/9/1981, duly served on the defendant, the license was revoked. Stop. The defendant, instead of complying, gave a false reply it to hence the suit was filed for permanent injunction and ₹200 per month as pendente light and future damages. Stop. The possession of the room, it is further alleged, always remained with the plaintiff, who paid at all the taxes, and the defendant was only given privilege of residing in the said room. Stop. Stranger. The defendant appellant in his written statement denied the allegation that he is a licensee and pleaded that he is a tenant of the room in question of ₹35 per month rent. Stop. Originally, it was the land which was vacant was let out to defendant on ₹70 per month as rent, and the defendant at his cost constructed the room in question in a portion. Stop. It was agreed between the parties that so long the defendant shall be paying rent, he will not be liable to exactment. Stop. In 1981, about half of the open land was got released by the plaintiff room tenancy, and rent of the remaining portion was reduced to rupees 35 per month. Stop. Since the defendant is regularly paying the rent, he is entitled to the protection of Act 13 of the 1972. Stop. The suit is cognizable by JSCC, and a suit for permanent injunction is not maintainable and is also barred by subsection 39 and 41 of the Specific Relief Act. It is undervalued and the court fee paid is insufficient. Stop. Over.